Welcome to 2C of 4 Buckhurst Avenue, Point Piper. Set in the elite Point Piper house, you are able to enjoy the spectacular harbour and cityscape views from the moment you enter the apartment. Join me as we take a tour through the home.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And now I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to?
But wait, there's more. The building has direct access to 7 Shillings Beach and Red Leaf Pool. The apartment won't be on the rental market for very long, so if you are interested, please contact me to arrange an inspection.